Dexter Goei is the CEO of Altice USA, also president of Altice as well, and he joins me now. Nice to have you here.
Nice to see you.
Good job ringing the opening bell. You got your people really yelling and screaming. Thanks for that. You got a lot of pushback on the conference call when you introduced this. Analysts were saying, can you really be profitable at $20 for your customers or $30? And you kept saying, yeah, we're not pricing this to undercut the market and lose money. Why are you confident you can make money?
Well, if you look at just the average usage of mobile customers today in the U.S., you're probably around 7 gigs per month. You know, with 7 gigs per month, if you've got the right price points in terms of what you're paying to rent, space effectively per gig, then you effectively can make money, right? So we're not in this business to go out there and lose money. We're pricing this at a gross profit positive. We obviously are going to have a little bit of losses in the first 12 months as we market, and we do have run some OpEx in there, but fundamentally, it's just really about the mathematics of volume. As we get to certain volume matrices, we're going to be very profitable.
How long do you think it'll take you to get to those matrices?
I think the question really is what's the initial response going to be? The initial response always has been already very strong. So, are we going to get there quicker, or are we going to get there a little bit later? But we've modeled it out over 12 months. But we'll see over the next couple of months as we really start launching our marketing campaign pretty actively over the next couple of weeks.
Well, how should I be viewing then others, my parent company amongst them, that are pricing their wireless service, for example, substantially higher? Are they just not getting it? Do they have MVNOs that aren't as favorable as your own?
Well, I think you should switch over to ours. That's what I would tell Brian and the rest of the crew. So, but in any case, I think the whole question really is the partnerships that you're able to set up. We also do have a different platform in that we're an infrastructure-based MVNO, as opposed to what you guys have at your parent company.
Can you explain to people what that means?
Yeah, it's really about more, we have our own core network. We control the SIM card. We're able to manage the traffic that goes on and off the Wi-Fi network more accurately and seamlessly. That allows us to be a lot more cost-effective in terms of how much we're paying to our roaming partners. Right, so those are just one of the basic features. Obviously, there's a bunch of other control features that we have when you have a infrastructure-based MVNO, but the basic one is that we have a better maintaining a cost control on what we're doing.
And should we view this, or should your investor base or future investors perhaps view this as another significant part of your business, one that will contribute significantly the same way that broadband and or video does?
Absolutely. We're in the business of continuing to drive simplicity, clarity, and better user experience. The whole thing about wireless today, you think you're wireless in your home, by the way, because everyone talks about Wi-Fi, right? So your entire experience on broadband is wireless. And so we need to be inside and outside the home and have the ubiquity of having the best service, clarity, simplicity for our customers. We're building this as a standalone profitable business. It may have ancillary benefits to our fixed line business going forward, but that's not priced in today to our business model. But we're certain that we will see some of that. But fundamentally, this is going to be a standalone pillar for our business, and we've got a good runway going forward in terms of time to think about other things, what we want to do with wireless.
Right, and learn about it. I mean, are you a believer that 5G will represent a significant challenge to those who bring a wire into the home when it's able to bring the speeds that at least we hear is possible?
I think it's going to be a complementary service as opposed to a challenging replacing service. The usage patterns that we're seeing from our fixed line broadband cable subscribers today are so much larger than wireless subscribers today. I also do think that 5G may end up cannibalizing some of the 4G services out there. So people have the wallet to spend on both. I don't think that there's going to be a full replacement necessarily of fixed. Maybe in certain parts, particularly in rural areas where the fixed broadband is poor, you'll see some 5G penetration. But if you speak to all of the wireless operators out there, they're not out there marketing that they're going to have a replacement service.
No, at least not yet.
Not yet.